How to sign into Upwork account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sign in or log in into Upwork account. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device that might be Chrome or Safari. Click the search bar at top of the screen and type in upwork.com. Press enter on the keyboard, then you will land on the official interface of Upwork. You will see two options, log in and sign up at top right corner of the screen. Simply, if you haven't created any account, click the sign up button and create an Upwork account. For now, let's choose login button at top right corner of the screen. Now, you will land on the login page of Upwork where you have to enter your username or email, and you can also continue with Google or Apple. So let's begin the process, and after you enter all the credentials, click the continue button and then you will easily log into Upwork. So let's enter it. Now on this page, you have to enter your password. If you forget the password, click the link and recover your password. Now click the login button and you will successfully log into your Upwork account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.